welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve a very easy but interesting problem from LeetCode called find closest person. So it's the problem in simple words. We have three people standing on a number line. Person 1 is at person X, person 2 is at position Y and person 3 is fixed at position Z. So both person 1 and person 2 start moving towards the person 3 at the same speed. So we need to figure out who reaches person 3 first. So if person 1 reaches first, we return 1, otherwise we return 2. If they reach at the same time, we return 0. Okay? So simple intuition is that we just need to compare the distance and that gives you the answer directly. Okay? So we can also take an example. Suppose we have x value as 2, y is 7 and z is 4. Okay. So first we'll calculate the distance of person 1. Okay. So we just minus the values. That gives us 2. And same way we can take distance of person 2. Same way. By calculating the difference of y minus z. Okay, that gives us 3. So as you can see, person 1 gives us the value 2. So since person 1 is closer, the answer is 1. So let's code it. We'll take a variable is Math.abs. Okay, to calculate the difference. So it will give the distance value without putting the negative number. Again, we'll take the distance to this and calculate the distance of person 2. Okay. Now we'll check if distance 1 is smaller than the distance 2, then we simply return 1, else check distance 2 is smaller than the distance 1, then we return 2, otherwise we simply return 0. So let's try to run it. Okay, so it is working. Now we'll submit it. So yeah, it got submitted. So guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy explanations. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.